Hello my dear friends, now I am walking at a village road of Bangladesh. You can see here the car running through the road. In this video I will show you street of Bangladesh and paddy fields and winter vegetables garden. So please don't skip this video. Watch this video till the end and throw your opinion in comment section. This is Bangladeshi paddy fields here. This is Bangladesh, wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. This is paddy field. Now I am walking in paddy fields of Bangladesh. Please watch this video till the end and subscribe StepView blog. StepView blog. Hit like button, share this video and comment throw in comment section. This is Bangladeshi home in front in camera. This is grass and this is paddy tree in the field. Now I am walking in the field of Bangladesh. Please subscribe StepView blog. Green paddy field. Look, sky is blue, field is green. I am walking a small road of Bangladesh in the field here. Wonderful landscape. So subscribe this channel for more videos. This is graveyard. I am walking and traveling in the village of Bangladesh. Quite field. Now I am showing you vegetable garden of Bangladesh. Look, this is gourd tree. Here a gourd hanging here. This is gourd tree. This is Bangladeshi field. Got eating grass in the field. If you like this video, please subscribe StepView blog and hit like button. Share this video in Facebook and other social medias. This is Bangladeshi field. This is a jungle here. Look, this is a guard. This is a guard here. This is a goat eating grass in the field. I am walking in the village field. Don't skip this video. StepView blog. This is a goat eating grass. This is grass, green grass in the field of Bangladesh. This is a Bangladeshi home. You can see here, poor people home of Bangladesh. This is a road. It's a busy route. This is Bangladeshi road and the pitch is very smooth. This is bamboo tree. This is a mosque. And this is a road of a home. This is my home. Here I live. If you like this video, do you like walking tour video? If you like walking tour video, please subscribe StepView blog YouTube channel and hit like button. Share this video on Facebook, Instagram and other social media, and throw your opinion on comment section. This is Bangladeshi village home. You can see here in front of camera. This is Bangladeshi village home. Wow, this is wonderful village and wonderful home. This is tin shed home. Here, this is a jackfruit tree. And this is tin shed home of Bangladesh. This is bamboo tree. Bamboo tree is a very beautiful tree of Bangladesh. And this is green leaf of bamboo tree. This is a boy of Bangladesh. This is a boy. Here he is so many poor. This is a boy, Bangladeshi boy. Oh, how wonderful of Bangladesh. If you like Bangladesh, please subscribe StepView blog YouTube channel for more videos. This is a Bangladeshi home. This is a hen. This is a 3-wheel CNG auto rickshaw. Bajaj Indian auto rickshaw. And this is our home. We are poor, not rich. This is hen. Wow, this is wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. This is wonderful sky of Bangladesh. This is a road of village home, and this is a people of Bangladesh. So many wonderful landscape of Bangladesh, and we are walking at village home. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.